Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to recover Candy Crush levels. The most reliable way to restore your game progress, especially if you haven't connected to Facebook, is by utilizing a King account. First, open your Candy Crush Saga game. Navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. From there, you will find an option to log in or sign up for King account. If you already have one, simply enter your credentials. If not, follow the prompts to create a new account, which typically takes less than 2 minutes. Using a King account offers significant advantages, primarily by ensuring your hard-earned progress is always saved and accessible. This means you can switch between your phone and tablet, for example, and pick up exactly where you left off. Should you ever forget your King account password, don't worry. Within the login screen, there's a Forgot Password option. Simply enter the email address you used to register, and a reset link will be sent to you. Remember to check your spam folder if it doesn't arrive promptly, usually within 5 minutes. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, a King account might not fully restore your progress, or you might encounter a unique issue. In such cases, contacting King Games customer support directly is essential. You can usually find the help or customer service option within the game's settings. When reaching out, be prepared to provide as much information as possible. This includes your unique player ID, the approximate level you were on, and details of any recent in-game purchases. Providing screenshots can also be incredibly helpful, potentially reducing resolution time by several days. To prevent the frustration of losing your Candy Crush progress again, adopt a few best practices. Firstly, always link your game to a King account as soon as you begin playing or after reinstalling the app. Secondly, periodically check your game settings to ensure your King account is still connected and syncing properly. A simple way to do this is to log out and back in. Lastly, consider taking a screenshot of your player ID and your highest achieved level. This small step can be invaluable if you ever need to contact support, potentially saving you hours of recovery time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.